Hello, hello, all you creative people out there. I've got something fun and very quick to show you today. This is a envelope flip pocket, I guess. And this was not my idea. I did not come up with this, but I do want to show it to you. It is made from a square sheet of paper. You can make it any size you want to, long as your paper is square. And this little flap flaps up, and here's a great place to keep your ephemera. And I just had to show you this. This was a piece of fabric, and I loved that scene, and I stitched it on there. Of course, we have to have a little paper doll guy in there. On the other side, it also flips up. We've got more ephemera. You can put anything you want to. Actually, I made one before where on this side I put little miniature note cards, and on this side I put the matching envelopes. But in addition to those two little flips, you also have a pocket right in the middle, so you can put some stuff down in there. So this one is a big one. I made this one with a 12 by 12 sheet. But like I said, you can use any size you want as long as it's square. So here's what I did. I cut this piece down. This is 10 by 10 square. So this one's going to be a little bit smaller. So pick whatever side you want to show on your outside, which I want to be my green, and then we are going to fold it corner to corner. And I've just got a bone folder. I'm just going to kind of crease that a little bit. And then we're going to open it up, and we are going to fold this guy. Let me think. Hold on. Let me make sure I do it the right way. Yes. Okay. We're going to fold this guy into the middle, and we're going to crease it. And we are going to fold this one in to meet that one. Kind of make your points meet there and crease that. Okay. So everybody got that so far? All I did was fold corner to corner, and then I fold the two corners into the middle. Now you're going to turn it over this way and fold it corner to corner again. All right? So corner to corner. I told you it was quick and easy. There's nothing to this little guy. And then the flaps fold down. They're going to leave a little gap here, but that's fine. You want them to, because you want plenty of room to fold that up and down. The back flap folds right down in there like that, and we crease that one. And guys, that's all there is to it. This flips up, you've got two pockets. The back side flips up, you've got two pockets. And then I'm just going to take some glue. You can use any glue you want to, and I'm going to run a bead of glue down each of these sides. This is art glitter glue, but you can use anything. And then that's really it. And the rest of it is just a matter of embellishing it. So let your glue dry. Like I said, if you want to add some lace, like I did, I put lace on front and back of mine. You can use double-sided paper so that when you get to the inside here, you've also got a pattern showing. And just have fun with it. Do anything you want to. And like I said, you can make any size. As a matter of fact, I think next I'm going to try a tiny one. I think it would be fun to make a real small one. So anyway, thanks for watching. Go create something pretty today.